Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view at the Hux World, and we got a couple of watch faces for you all to check out by my man OW Watch Faces, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and yes, we got this watch face by OW. Now, the name of the watch face is called OW Metallic. Very nice look. Very different look as well. Now in always on mode, you're going to get a totally different look, right? You're going to get a glow in the dark type of theme look, and you're going to get digital time instead of analog. But when the watch face is on, you are treated to an analog watch face. I like the layout of your day and your date. You get a few dials, one for your battery percentage, the other for your goal completed, and down at the bottom you got 12 24-hour time. So this is a nice look, different, very unique. It's not a bad look at all. Now also, you do get shortcuts, so if I want my weather, I got my weather I can check out. You got a phone call, you can tap into your text messages, your music, which I love my music. So I thought this was a nice added touch. I believe it's affordable in the Gear Manager store. Go in, check out his lineup, see if this is something you would like to download. With that, let's check out watch face number 2. Face number 2. This one is nice. It's free in the Gear Manager store. I think it's worth the download. I say check it out. The name of the watch face is called Circleline Pop Edition. Very nice, has everything you can ever want in a watch face so far as info is concerned, but in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look, right? But once the watch face is on, you get a stacked time. You also get your day and your date. I like how it's highlighted going around the bezel of the watch. You also get shortcuts dead center. You can make a phone call, music, get your weather, text message, and it is inactive. So if you tap on it, you can go into it, get the info that you're seeking. And I'm liking it. I think it's decent considering that it is free in the Gear Manager store. You also get your step info, floors climb, heart rate, calories burned. You pretty much get everything in this watch face. But I thought this was different. Look at the little second hand dot going around the bezel of the watch. I don't know what exactly that is, but once it lands in it, it pretty much lights it up. I thought that was a good added touch so far as character is concerned to the watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this and you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.